Hi everyone, and welcome to our first chapter in building Enigma. It will be a secure storage for sensitive data. Today we are going to dive into the foundational aspects of our application and explore the functionality that will pave the way for its development. To kickstart our journey, we will be focusing on implementing local authorization within our Flutter application. We will be utilizing the local auth package for authentication purpose and ensuring that only authorized users can access the data stored within Enigma. Additionally, we will leverage GetX for controller management and state handling techniques and laying a solid foundation for our development process ahead. Now let's dive into the code. While the entire application may not be ready yet, this chapter will serve as a crucial stepping stone towards its completion. You can access all the pre-written codes on our GitHub repository, where we'll be building the Enigma app and refining it step by step together. This main.dart file initializes the authentication controller and sets up the application routes and also defines the initial route to be the landing page. Here's we introduce the landing screen, the first page users see when launching Enigma. It provides a brief overview of the app and includes a button for authentication, allowing users to access Enigma's secure feature with ease. And tapping the authentication button triggers the AuthController to execute the authentication method. This part of the code defines the AuthController class, responsible for managing authentication within our app. It integrates with local auth package and handles biometric authentication. The controller initializes biometric support, authenticates users, and navigates to the home screen upon successful authentication. This code defines the home screen, where user navigates after successful authentication. It integrates with the AuthController and checks the authentication status when the app is resumed. If the user is not authorized, then they are redirected to the landing screen, and the home screen displays a welcoming message. To enhance the security of our app, authorization is automatically revoked when the user leaves the application or move it into the background. This means that every time the app is resumed, the user needs to re-authenticate for the access.